So on this video, I'm going to show you guys on how to configure my RS tracker, my RS ability tracker. You'll have to download it from GitHub. You'll probably, if you are watching it, you probably know exactly where to download it and stuff like that, so I won't go over that. After you download it, you will have this folder right here. You'll run the tracker, and you need to set up the abilities you will need. Currently, you have all the defensives, melee, and range abilities set up with images associated with them. You might want to do your switches. If you want to add extra images that aren't on this list, you will have to grab the new images, paste them inside this folder, and then they will appear on your on this bar right here. To set them up, choose the image you want, give it a name, set its cooldown. Shatter is 120 seconds. You can then add shatter with the right cooldown and save. Any abilities that aren't configured by default you can add. If you want to add other images, you are free to do so. It's as simple as putting them inside this folder and then choosing them from this dropdown. Then we need to set the ability bars. So I'm gonna set a melee bar, a range bar, and a mage bar. Save them, and now I have those bars as options to choose from. Now I need to set the keybinds. First, I want to go onto my bars keybind and set keybinds to change them. So F10 will be my melee keybind, range will be F11, and mage will be F12. I can now save the keybinds for the bar switching. Now to add the ability keybinds. You start by choosing the abilities you created and choosing the style that it will be used for. If an ability has the same keybind for all styles, you can just set it to all, set the keybind, and every single bar you create will be able to access this keybind for this specific ability. Now I want to add snipe for range. Snipe, there we go, it's a range and I use it on A. I want to add, check, needle strike for range, which is W. And now I want to add some melee stuff. So I want to add decimate on my A keybind for melee. And I want to do the same with greater fury on W. After you are done setting up the keybinds you want, you save it. You can then close it. Choose the thing you want to track. So I want to start tracking with range and start the tracker. You can see the keybinds I've set up still work. So if I want to go to range, I just need to press F10 and it will switch to my range stuff. Alt A still works because it was set up as all. This is all you need to do. It's not complicated at all, but if you have any questions, feel free to PM me on Discord, feel free to leave a comment on the video, open an issue on GitHub if you found something that you think it's not working correctly. It probably isn't. I'll do my best to fix it and to help you with all your questions.